Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we are going to be previewing a move-in ready Toll Brother home here in Skye Canyon, Las Vegas. Now we are going to be previewing an Avella floor plan, and this is standing inventory guys, which means they do accept offers. So stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Avella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities in Las Vegas. All right, welcome everyone. So again, we are previewing this Avella floor plan, standing inventory, ready to move into home, okay? Now this floor plan is 2,263 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Price was actually $679,995, but today it is $584,995, okay? So huge price reduction, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so you got this 8-foot door. So this is a feature. So if Amazon drops you off like a package, they could actually just drop it in here, which is really cool. Okay, so 8-foot door, nice brown door, right? Sorry, it's getting kind of dark, so probably gonna have to hurry this tour up. So this is what you see immediately when you walk in, guys. To the right, you're gonna have your stairs. So we have your mission style railing right here, and then we got the pony wall, okay? So right over here, you know, you have room for a nice little desk right there, okay? So as far as the flooring, just wanna show you the type of flooring that was chosen. You have a tile, it's gray tile, okay? As well as the paint is gray as well. Okay, so you got the 2-panel doors with a black hardware. Okay, coat closet with a smart panel box right over here. You have some room for storage. Right over here, you're gonna have the powder room. Okay, so nothing crazy to look at. You got your toilet, pedestal sink, got your black hardware, all right? And then the thing that's really nice about this, guys, you're gonna have the 10-foot ceilings. So here, show you guys the floor plan. So they actually went with this really nice brown cabinets. Okay, so it looks like brown is coming back in. Oh, but yeah, but let me go ahead and tell you some of the information with the HOA too. Okay, so the master plan here is $84 a month. Community HOA is $75. So your total monthly fees is going to be $159 a month. And then you do have a SID assessment, guys. So the balance on the SID assessment is $8,058. So you're gonna pay $306 every 6 months until that balance is paid off, okay? And then also too, if you wanna know what a SID is, I did a YouTube short on that. So I'll have a link on the screen for you guys so you could check that out. But yeah, I actually like the options here, okay? So I like that they used like the 2-inch thickness quartz. Okay, this brown color I think is pretty nice. So you check that out. Okay, so you got the hood. So we have the KitchenAid appliances here. The KitchenAid cooktop with the hood, also the dishwasher. This is clean right here. So you have the white sink, okay, undermount sink, the black faucet. All right, oven, microwave is also KitchenAid as well. Okay, along with the dishwasher. Now you guys check out all the lighting you're gonna have here. So we do have this set up for the pendant lights. Okay, look, you have all your can lights. They do have the upgraded center slider right here. So here, take a look at the backyard. Ooh, it's extremely windy. So right here, you're gonna have a nice tall backyard wall. And then this is what you see. Okay, beautiful views over there, guys, mountain views. On the other side of this backyard, you do have a road, okay? So you can definitely fit a pool back here if you're looking to build a pool. Oh, nice. You got some more room right over here as well. Okay, AC unit right over there. All right, so right here, you're gonna have your pantry. Okay. I have no clue what this area is right over here. Okay, so it looks like you have some storage space. This is gonna be for your security systems. You can control like your lock. That could be set up to ADT as well. Now this is your garage. It's gonna be a 22 feet deep garage, okay? The ceiling here is also 10 foot. Okay, so extra storage space, kind of right here. Water softener loop, tankless water heater. Then you have a side door, okay, to your backyard, which is really nice. All right, see a nice little fireplace right there. But yeah, let's go upstairs. Check it out. So that's what you see when you walk in. Okay. So you have a nice loft here. Now guys, if you are interested in a new build community or a specific model, guys, my info is going to be in the description below. Give me a call, or at least if you're working with a realtor, let your realtor know. You definitely want to make sure that as soon as you are interested, don't go to the new build community on your own. Make sure you go with your realtor. You definitely want representation, guys. If you go there on your very first visit and your agent's not with you, they won't let you be represented down the road. And there's too many pros that we offer you guys. So the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders, but we do for you. So that means we look after your best interests. We negotiate for you. We make sure you get all the max builder incentive upgrades, max builder incentives. Okay. And the builders pay all the agent fees, guys. Especially if you're looking at a standing inventory home like this. Again, guys, I always say this, but if you're looking for the best deal, you want to get a standing inventory home. Just because like homes like this, you could place an offer. There's more wiggle room, guys. Builders have more incentive to sell these homes compared to building from lot up. Okay. Here's the other guest bedroom. So pretty good space. I want to say these are like, so it is 10 by 11. So here's going to be your laundry room. All right. Washer and dryer would be right here. And this is your full bath. Okay. So you got the nice quartz countertop. I think this really looks clean. So the this nice brown cabinet with the black handles. Okay. Black hardware. So look at that, guys. Nice tile surround. All right, so let's check out the primary bedroom. Now, you're gonna have your Ecobee thermostat, so that's how you control the temperature. Okay. You also have your linen closet right here. You're gonna have a nice, large walk-in closet here. Okay. That's pretty deep, guys. Probably like 14 feet deep. Okay. Primary bedroom. Here, I'll give you guys the measurements right now. Okay, so it's 15 feet that way. And 13 feet that way. Okay, look. So this is the view. Right. Beautiful Skye Canyon. You're gonna see mountains like pretty much everywhere here. So right here, we're gonna have your toilet room. And we have your beautiful, look at this. Man, this flooring is actually really cool. Look at that. Okay, I also like this tile as well. Yeah, really nice shower. See, unfortunately, there's no shower right above, but it's just right over there. Okay, got a little bench, which is nice. Yeah, I'm digging the material that they use here. It looks good. Okay, again, with a quartz countertop, undermount sink. Okay, so right here you can see, this is the other, I did another video on this house right over there, but yeah, this does have a window. You could see the other person's backyard. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think of this move-in ready home. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just reach out.